Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the raining taco in Fish It game of Roblox new classic event update. So guys, the raining tacos is one of the new weathers from this event, and this weather can give you 200% luck. And if you want to activate it, you need to go to the classic island and you need to find this weather machine. And then you're going to buy the raining tacos weather to activate it. Okay, and you need 5k ticks to buy this raining taco. But the disasters spawn every 2 hours, guys, so you need to wait. Yeah, you just need to click on raining tacos and buy it with your ticks. But now this event is already active and it will be so helpful to catch rare fish, guys, because it can increase the luck. Okay guys, and that's how you can activate the raining tacos weather in Fish It game of Roblox new classic event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.